Welcome to the instructions video for the Hooke's Law Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you solve spring and elasticity problems using Hooke's law. You can calculate spring force, displacement, spring constant, or elastic potential energy, depending on what values you already know. To use this calculator, first select your calculation mode based on what you want to find. For calculating spring force, you'll need to enter the spring constant in newtons per meter and the displacement in meters. Let's enter a spring constant of 500 newtons per meter and a displacement of 0.05 meters. You can also calculate elastic potential energy by entering these same values. The calculator will show you the resulting force using the formula F equals K times X, as well as the stored potential energy. Results update automatically as you enter your values, giving you instant feedback on your spring calculations. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.